Okay, so I just got this LaserDisc player hooked up with a new serial cable going over here to this. And I was looking in here, the manual for it, there's a register B. You can change the squelch control, which means that you can turn on and off the video and the audio muting. So now you can do stuff like this if you turn it off. I'm scanning forward. You can listen. And here, check this out. I'll skip forward to the next chapter. You can actually see it scanning the disc, which is pretty cool. Search 3. Normally it'd be blue screen right there. Search 4. And all I'm doing is I'm just pressing the track forward button. But the cool thing is there another? This is the scan forward, which is awesome. Hit play. So I can scan. Now, oh, pointing at the wrong place, which is cool. And you can still frame, frame advance. All I'm doing is hitting frame advance right there. Multi-speed, multi-speed forward. Half speed. So yeah, awesome. You can also display text and stuff on the video buffer and things. Neat stuff.